What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the network has demonstration of the capabilities of different cameras of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Ice Universe also added that he tested the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra using the original 45 watts charger. A well-known network whistleblower under the nickname Ice Universe has published a selection of photos taken on the camera of the flagship smartphone Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra presented last week. Recall that the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra received a 108 megapixel image sensor, an ultra wide-angle module with a resolution of 12 megapixels, and two telephoto lenses at once with a 3x and 10x zoom, as well as 10 megapixel image sensors. Photographs were taken using the main camera, two telephoto lenses 3x and 10x zoom, as well as 3x hybrid zoom, which still retains a high degree of detail. Ice Universe added that he tested the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra using the original 45 watts charger, and the smartphone still charges for about an hour, just like using a 25 watts adapter. The latest GSM Arena test confirms that Samsung is deceiving customers with claims of increased charging speeds for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra when using a 45 watts fast adapter. On the other hand, presented exclusive Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in titanium cases with gold inserts at a price of almost $5,000. The Russian brand Caviar, which creates luxury versions of smartphones, has announced the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in a previous version, including a 24-karat gold, titanium, natural leather, carbon fiber, and various engravings. Depending on the chosen design, the cost of the device ranges from $5,000 to $6,000. Exclusive design options were developed specially for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It is noted that the Caviar design for the new Samsung flagships is based on the popular style deco. The oldest version Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra called Ocelot. It uses 100 titanium with a black PVD coating and a gold pattern, and decorative elements are plated with 24-karat gold. An Art Deco embossed pattern completes the design. The design is also made for high-tech materials such as automotive carbon fiber. The drive design also uses PVD-coated titanium. Exclusive version of Galaxy S22 smartphones will go on sale on March 11, simultaneously with the release of new Samsung flagships on global market. You can place an order for the purchase of a smartphone from Caviar right now. Some of the version will be limited edition. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.